Welcome back to our channel. Today we are comparing two of the most popular trucks in the USA, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado and the 2026 Ford F-Series. We'll talk about engine power, fuel efficiency, price, comfort, and ownership cost, so you can decide which truck suits you best. Let's start with engine and power. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado comes with multiple engine options, including a 4.3 LV6, 5.3 LV8, and 6.2 LV8, producing up to 420 horsepower in the top model. It delivers strong towing capacity and is great for heavy-duty work. The 2026 Ford F-Series also has a variety of engines, including a 3.3 LV6, 5.0 LV8, and 3.5L EcoBoost V6, reaching up to 450 horsepower in the higher trims. The F-Series is famous for its smooth drive even with heavy loads. Both trucks are extremely powerful, but the F-Series offers slightly more horsepower and better towing for extreme loads, while the Silverado focuses on balance and comfort. Fuel efficiency is important, even for trucks. The Silverado delivers around 18 to 20 miles per gallon in combined city and highway driving, depending on engine choice. The Ford F-Series is similar, giving 17 to 20 miles per gallon combined, with the EcoBoost engines being more efficient. So, both trucks are in the same range, but neither is meant for gas savings. They are built for performance and work. Now let's talk about price. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado starts around $38,000 for the base model, and can go over $60,000 for fully loaded trims. The 2026 Ford F-Series starts slightly higher, around $40,000, with top trims over $65,000. In terms of maintenance, both trucks are reliable, but parts for Ford can sometimes be a bit more expensive. Insurance costs are similar, and both trucks hold their value very well. Even though these are trucks, interior comfort matters. The Silverado has a spacious cabin with a modern dashboard, touchscreen infotainment, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The F-Series also offers a roomy cabin, high-quality materials, and advanced technology, including large touchscreens and driver assistance features. Both trucks are comfortable for long drives, but the F-Series has slightly more luxury features in higher trims. So, which one should you choose? Choose the Chevrolet Silverado if you want a balanced truck with reliable performance, comfort, and slightly lower starting cost. Choose the Ford F-Series if you need maximum power, towing capacity, and top-level tech features, and don't mind paying a bit more. Both are excellent trucks and among the most used and trusted vehicles in the USA.